again. What's Causey cooking? Well, tonight, instead of going to the store and picking up a bunch of stuff and trying to prep a meal, I just raided the fridge, the freezer, and the cabinet. I think I'm going to come up pretty good. We're just going to do some tostadas, but with a little bit of a kick. We're going to make homemade refried beans. I cooked these overnight. They were dry, cooked them, they're ready to go. And we're going to top the tostada with some shrimp. Took these out of the freezer, prepped them, they're ready to go. And here I got some cumin, salt, pepper, and paprika. So with the beans, first thing we got to do, cast iron. I got bacon grease in there, half an onion, one whole jalapeno. I got some garlic, green chilies. I'm going to wait until these are done. I'm going to add these when I add the beans. Alright, we've cooked our onions and our jalapenos down so that they're nice and soft. Let's add the other ingredients. We got 3 cloves of garlic, can of green chilies, 2 cups of beans, hit it with some salt, stir these around, let them get nice and hot, and we'll come back and mash them up. Alright, now you can see basically kind of frying the beans, right? Refried. So I need to mash these up. I'll tell you a story while I'm mashing. So you might wonder, oh, where did Causey come up with this idea or recipe for these beans, right? Beans, onion, garlic, green chilies, jalapeno. It's really nothing big, but I used to watch my aunt make these all the time, and I always thought they were the best beans for Mexican food. So I decided, why not make them? I had all the stuff here to do it. So this is a little bit of a tip of my hat to my Aunt Becky, who used to make these, and I loved them. So as you can see, we're all mashed up. Push those to the side. Let's bring in our pan for our shrimp. Get that nice and hot. We're going to saute these shrimp. We'll get right back to you. Alright, everything's ready. Shrimp has been sauteed. Beans are warm. We got our plate here. Tostada shell, a couple slices of avocado, and a lime. With that also, I've got some cabbage and cilantro, some queso fresco, chili verde, green sauce, and a Modelo. So let's build. Get ourselves a good scoop of beans. Spread it around well. Get a few shrimp on here. Come on now. There we go. Spread those around. Some fresh cheese. Let's go with the salsa next. Our cabbage and cilantro mix. Alright, now, a little bit of lime in the beer. Squeeze a lime on the tostada. What do you think the chances are of this falling apart? I hope not. Let's try it. Like I said, the star of this meal is the beans. You know, thank you, Aunt Becky, for letting me use this recipe. It's so good. Shrimp are perfect. A little bit of freshness. The best thing about this, I didn't buy anything. Everything came out of the fridge, freezer, and the cupboard. It was awesome. Thanks for watching. Easy meal. Hope you can enjoy it. I'm going to enjoy this one. Have a good night.